Hello guys, and welcome back to another adventure with Hiking with Jackie Boy. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Justin with Backroad Freedom.
And we're out here doing some truck camping at South Llano River State Park.
It's going to be awesome.
It is.
It's pretty nice here. It's pretty nice.
It's a beautiful park. And then tomorrow we'll probably do some hiking. South Llano River State Park has a new park headquarters. Quite modern building. I was hoping you'd wave. My truck, tent, camping setup. Got an air mattress, extra blanket, sleeping bag, and a pillow. I'm at campsite 16 at South Llano River State Park. Set up. What is your tent be? It's soft copper. Very nice.
Yeah. I like that we got the cardinal birds and stuff too. And then whatever you call that other bird.
The Mylamore bird.
Hey, how y'all doing?
All right, Justin set up. This is cool.
Kinda.
Right? Tasajillo cactus actually puts on an edible berry. If you get past the thorns, these things are mean. A lot of people out here RV camping. And it looks like they got the big pull-in sites for that. Very nice. It's called, what's your fridge called?
Joy Tutus.
Joy Tutus. Quite nice. I don't know if it's picking it up. I don't think it is, but it's showing that its temperature is 34 degrees Fahrenheit.
I got it plugged in to my Jackery Explorer 1000. That's over there.
Campfire ribeye tacos. This is my lighting for the tent and around the camp. When I first got here, I noticed something right on the edge of my campsite. Someone's old baseball. Looked like it had seen better days. Wonder how long this thing had been out here. Justin's going to be going live a little later. Got to make sure we got the fire burning well before he goes live. Justin's lighting. Got a new Koozie from Justin. Backroad Freedom Eagle.
Yeah, check it out. This is what Kevin from Hiking with Jackie Boy gave me. Thank you, Kevin.
You're welcome. Bet you're going live? Yeah, you did. Huh?
No.
Unless I was, yeah, you did. Oh, you sure? I shared it out on a bunch of group things. Yep. Hello. What you doing?
I'm just wrapping it up here at work. You?
Not much. About to go live with Justin.
Oh, okay.
Say hi to everyone.
Hi.
That way you get part of the video. I'm able to call Joanne on Messenger out here. Got okay reception.
You're blurred, but okay.
Yeah. Yeah, well, different lighting. Start.
That means I can move the camera, nobody's even make it out.
All right, well, I'll call you later. Okay. If you get a chance, pop up and say hi on the live.
Okay.
Okay, talk to you later.
All right.
All right, bye.
All right, bye.
Should it hold itself?
There you go.
Yeah,
There.
that's perfect.
Oh, we're out here. Justin was doing his live. Had the fire pit going, and then the wind started really kicking up.
Oh
And
yeah.
I said, you know what? The embers were flying. I said, time to put the thing out. And then we got a quick shower, and the temperature really dropped.
Oh yeah.
And we put it out, and then stopped the live. And
Yep.
but now, you know, it's calm. It's nice. It's a little cool, but
Yeah, it was that rain when it was coming. It was going. There's some slats behind y'all, and I'm standing over here, and it just the rain was coming through. I was getting cold and getting wet, and I was in shorts and t-shirt still. Well, still I'm in shorts, and I got this finally now.
yeah, I was clear on the other side, and I was getting wet. But the other thing is, I didn't shut the door on my truck tent. And we had to run out while that rain was coming. It wasn't real heavy, but it was wind driven. So
Oh, yeah.
it was hitting you. And I think that temperature dropped good 10, 15 degrees. And
it happened fast.
And it happened fast. But it was here and gone just as quick.
Yep.
But now we're just going to enjoy the evening.
Got the little lantern going on right here.
Oh yeah.
Little LED action going. And then we got a little Bluetooth speaker on this thing too.
Yeah, we'd been listening to some music. You know, of course, we're not playing it real loud out of the respect of other campers, you know. But you know what? We're gonna sit here and enjoy ourselves. So I'll see y'all once I get back when I get into the tent, you know, and get ready to call it a night. I'll probably do a quick clip from there. All right. We're having a great time.
Yes, we are.
I'm glad you thought of this idea, Justin. It's just...
Yeah, I'm glad too. I'm glad you were able to make it with me out here.
All
Make it
right.
out here with me.
All right. Well, we're going to have some more fun as the night goes on.
See y'all later.
South Llano River State Park is a 2,600 acre park located in the Texas Hill Country along the South Gano River near the town of Junction in Kimball County. This park is also known to be a dark sky park. Hopefully the clouds clear out later and we can see some of the brilliant stars not affected by any city lights. Well, I'm about to call it a night. I'm inside the truck tent. I'll see y'all guys in the morning. Well, guys, this finishes up the truck camping adventure at South Gano River State Park. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.